Hi all, I'm Guru here. Uh, just I wanted to continue with the QA first part of QA session where being a tester practically when we go for an company and what exactly we wanted to do. So for example, I am Guru. I joined the one of the organization. Okay, what is the first step? What I have to do once I'm sitting with a team people and a team member. Okay, if there I will get one requirement document. Okay, so personally I call it as the system study. System study means what? See, if I wanted to test one product, right, one software product, I wanted to understand first in which domain this product is. Is it insurance domain? Is it a telecom domain? Is it is a banking domain or finance domain? All the domains I would like to check. Okay, imagine that it is a banking domain project which I am going to test. Okay, what I need to do first? So I need to go through the documentation part of the product. Whole document I will get. We call it as a requirement document, or I call it as a functional specification document. So first thing is I would like to understand the function. Okay, what exactly the functions which I'm going to test. Functions means what? You understand this also. Function in the sense whenever I'm taking an action on that particular save button or a cancel button or insert button, whatever it might be, if I'm executing that function, the system will respond me back. That is I call it as a functions. Okay, first let me go through that particular document. Let me understand the document very clearly. So I would like to understand about who is the customer, which customer they wanted to use our product, and how many end users they wanted to access our product. According to end user understanding, according to end user working, I need to simulate myself how end user they wanted to use. In that level, I need to understand the product. Okay. So once I understood the product, imagine that I have gone through the product, I understood the requirement, everything is perfect now. So if I have any doubts, right, I will note it down in the clarification sheet. I will send it to the particular person who is responsible to clarify me. So these all are, I need a brief description about these following points. Let me know. I will get the response from them. Then again, I will keep on studying the documents. So this is the most important for the testers. Means how deep the tester knows the functionality, that much good testing he can do. There is a catch. Listen again. How deep we will study the functionality, that much testing we can do very well. Means we can catch many defects. Unless and until you know the functionality, you could not able to catch any defect. Tester's aim is he should catch hold of the defect before releasing it to the production. So that is the reason. Take 2 days, 3 days, 4 days, or 5 days, but do in-depth study of the document, understand it, and simulate yourself as per the end users. Means who wanted to use our product after releasing it to the production. Being an end user, simulating yourself, being a tester, simulating yourself as an end user, you need to understand the document. One thing. What is next step? Next step is, so you will get an email stating that, okay, can you work on this particular module for the testing? Imagine that I got an admin module. For the admin module is one which controls whole web application, whole functionality. It is controlled by admin module. I can give access rate. I can take a access. I can give the access. Everything is controlled by admin module. Imagine that I got an admin module. So in the admin module, I need to dig more. I need to understand more depth of admin module, how this module works. So particularly, I would like to do the analysis part of that particular module. How I'm going to do the analysis? Okay. In this admin module, how many functionalities are there? Okay, imagine that I have a 500 functions. I came to know that 500 function. From 500 functionality, how many are a major functions? Means the controlling of the rest of the functionalities on one function. For example, I'm filling up mandatory fields. I'm clicking on save button. Here, save is a major. Entering data on the text box is Okay, functionality. But among them, save is a major. Unless and until I click on save button, no records will be getting created. Such like this, I wanted to understand how many functions are major among all the modules. Then I would like to understand the flow of the functionality. Flow of the functionality means what? Means when the data is moving from one screen to another screen within the module. Means if I click on any list box, the previous screen data is populated in the list box. So integration between one screen to another screen will happen. I call it as medium flow. If I have a static page, just I'm entering the data, clicking on save button, there is no integrity of previous screen to this screen. Such kind of functionality flow, I call it as simple flow. If data is coming from one module to another module, I call it as complex flow. During my own analysis, I will divide which is the simple flow, which one is a medium flow, which one is a complex flow. So like this, I wanted to make an Excel ready. Okay, these are the things, these are the things. Okay, 500 functionalities are there total in my module. From the 500 functionalities, 350 are major functions and and 300 are medium flow. Like that, I can divide. So why I wanted to do this? That is important. Means I assume myself, okay, if I wanted to test this particular module, I'm segregating everything. Means I'm making it as a clean, okay, this is this, this is this, this is this. Then finally, I came to know that, okay, 500 functionality I need to test. From 500, 300 are major, and 200 or 50 or 3 are the complex, medium, and a simple flow. I wanted to divide everything. So I will get a confidence. Okay, if I wanted to do testing, I can approach. My approach is like this.